Yuku's mobile app. Our team is excited to introduce the beta version of our Yuku mobile app. With metaverse functionality, task lists to earn Yuku credits, and an easy interface to track events, this mobile app ushers in a new era of accessibility and ease of use for the Yuku platform. Our app is now live for both Android and iOS devices, so through searching for Yuku app, you should be able to find it on the list. Alternatively, you can scan the QR codes visible on the screen now to open the download link for your device.